Welcome to your Virgin Australia flight. It's wonderful to have you aboard. Keeping you safe is our top priority, so before we take off, please give us your attention as we share important safety information and help us to create a safe and enjoyable flight. Your seatbelt should now be done up low and tight across your hips. To fasten, push the ends together until they click, then pull the strap to tighten. To release, just lift the buckle. When the seatbelt sign is on, your belt should stay on too. And even if the sign is off, we recommend keeping your seatbelt fastened in case of turbulence. If the cabin pressure changes and oxygen is needed, your mask will drop from above you. Immediately pull the mask down to get the oxygen flowing. Remove any face covering, then quickly place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth and slip the strap over your head. And while the bag won't inflate, oxygen will flow. So just breathe normally and remember to fit your mask first before helping others. There's a life jacket under or beside your seat. To fit your life jacket, remove it from the bag and slip it over your head. Pass the strap around your waist, clip together, then pull the strap to tighten. Once you're outside the aircraft, pull down on the red toggles to inflate, and for more air, blow into the mouthpieces. Your jacket has a light and whistle for attracting attention. Infant and spare life jackets will be distributed by your crew if needed. Our crew will now point out the emergency exits. There are 2 doors at the front, 4 exits over the wings, and 2 doors at the rear of the cabin. Check where your nearest exits are now and remember they may be behind you. Our crew are also now showing you the escape path lighting that will help guide you to the exits. And if we need to evacuate, leave everything on board. Bringing your bags will slow you down and could damage the escape slides. To find out the brace positions and other important safety information, check the safety instruction card in your seat pocket. Smoking, vaping and the use of e-cigarettes isn't allowed on board. This includes in the toilets, which have smoke detectors and alarms. You may continue using your handheld devices as long as you have switched them to flight mode. Anything larger than handheld will need to be put away. And if you lose your device in your seat, don't move the seat. Just sit tight and ask your crew for assistance. Finally, make sure your seat is upright, window blinds are open, tray tables put away, and all bags are under the seat in front of you. If your seat has a leg rest or device holder, ensure they are stowed and all devices are unplugged. The crew are here to keep you safe, so follow their instructions as well as all illuminated information signs. From everyone at Virgin Australia, have a wonderful flight.
Go.
Cabin crew be set as for takeoff.